Right, so a few people have asked me to show them what this drone looks like that I've been flying around and having a lot of fun with the last few days. So this is going to be a bit tricky because I'm recording on my phone and controlling the drone from my iPad. So I've just balanced the phone against something and hopefully you can keep the drone in frame. But this is what it looks like. Let's go. You can see that if you just take your hands off the controls, it automatically stabilizes itself. And then touch them again, you get the thing flying again. Now, put it way up in the sky there. I don't think you can see it because of the sun. Okay, either. Try that again, have it there. It's way up there in the sky now. You might be able to see it as a little... Okay, that wasn't such a good idea in retrospect because you can see I'm a bit hot and sweaty and dirty because I lost control of it while trying to film it, and I just had to climb nearly to the top of that very tall tree about up there to go and retrieve it. And as you can see, it's still in one piece. A bit of blood, that little exercise, but as you should be able to see in a second or so, the drone is quite happily flying still. Well, let's hope so. There, I just reconnected the battery and the Wi-Fi link and we're good to go. Take off. I'm getting some good close-up to how it's hovering. I don't have to fly it at the moment. It's hovering by itself. It tries to keep its position more or less in the same place. Here's the front camera. Let's go fly.